Okay, I'm doing a road test of my new gimbal, and we'll just hold it steady and see how it follows the road and our movement around. It is rather smooth. Seems to have a tendency to want to bend. Well, that seems smooth enough. I'll do some walking with it at the Tweed Mill and we'll see how that goes. See snow on the distant hills. We've had a bit of snowfall lately, and it's only seemed to adhere onto the hills up there. We're coming into the town of St Asaph now, which is
city.
Yeah, or city. It's actually city status apparently, and it is approximately 4 miles southeast of Rhyl.
Ah, yeah,
something like that. And it has a very small cathedral by British standards. It's you'll see it in a minute. Sounds like we've got ambulances behind us, or ahead of us. Pulled over just to let him pass.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the fireman. The firefighters, they're off to sort something out. Hope he's not at the Tweed Mill, Dick. There you go, there's a bit of a view of the
cathedral.
Not through the trees there. And it's not a very impressive cathedral, unfortunately, but the town of St Asaph itself is kind of nice. It's a bit difficult to negotiate with a large vehicle, but it's just as you see it now. There's a couple of nice little bakeries, little shops.
It was a major banking town and it's not anymore.
Yeah, it was at one time. A lot of banks in it, didn't it?
Oh, 5 banks. Not got any now.
So now we're heading towards the Tweed Mill. On the Denby Road.
This is the Upper Denby Road.
And to our left now is a school, Glenclwyd, the Glenclwyd School. So we're at the Tweed Mill, into the Tweed Mill complex. Interestingly, the gimbal is slightly affected by the inertia of the car, I noticed. So we're out of the car now and I'm just walking around with the gimbal. just to give it a try, and it seems to be very steady. Well, I think it's passed its field testing. What do you reckon?
Certainly seems it to me.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.